Hello everyone, and then welcome to another tutorial video. So in our previous video I showed you guys how to get free MTN data bundles, okay? And then I think it was very helpful. Most of you ended up getting the free bundle, okay? So in this video I'll be doing similar but with a different network, okay? So in this video I will show you how to get cheap bundles from Vodafone, okay? So in case you are new to this channel and then your first time watching this video, I would urge you to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on any newly uploaded video, okay? Because I'll be uploading these kind of videos often, okay? So without further matter ado, let's dive right into that. So usually we normally see that or we normally know that Vodafone bundles last for a very short period of time, and then they recently updated their data bundles, okay? So let's say you want to get a 9GB bundle or 6GB bundle. It might last for maybe from 12 to 4, but now you could get the same bundle at a lower price, okay? And then an elapsing time. So let's say previously it was from 12 to 4 a.m. now you could get it at or from 12 to 5 a.m. okay? That's the midnight bundle. I'm referring to the midnight bundles, okay? There's been some recent changes when it comes to the midnight bundles, okay? There's been some changes, so that is what I'm about to show you. That's the new bundle where you could get free data within a respective time, okay? So you could buy this data over and over again, okay, provided you could use it during the midnight. That's from 12 to 4. So without further matter ado, let's see how we do that. So first you just have to type or click on *700#, okay? Just dial *700#, okay? And then click on just use a call option, and then you move on to buy bundle, okay? You move on to buy bundle. So we have the check bundle, stop auto renewal, bundle for someone, SMS packs, check 4G. We are not interested in any of that, okay? We are interested in option 1. So choose option 1. You'll be given the option to buy these bundles. So now we are looking for the 9 bundles, okay? The 9th bundles, that's option 8. So just choose option 8, okay? Choose option 8. Now, so from here you can notice that you would get a 9GB bundle at just 3 cedis, okay? And then it's non-expiry, okay? It doesn't expire, non-expiry. And then we have 2 cedis bundle at 6GB. So you could get a 6GB bundle at 2 cedis, okay? And that's also from 12 to 5. So initially we knew that it was from 12 to 4, but from now they've made some changes, so you could get it as 12 or from 12 to 5 a.m. So the one main secret you need to know is that when buying these bundles you could buy 10 times, okay? So you could buy the bundle 10 times. So you could buy the 3 cedis, which is for 9GB 10 times, so that you could download your games, your movies, or whatever, okay? So once you buy that data 10 times, it means that you could use the same bundle that's from 12 to 5 every single day till it does expires. And then one funny thing is that it doesn't expire, okay? So thanks for staying with me till the end of the video. In case you want to see more of these videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel, because trust me, there are more I'm about to upload on this channel, and then you don't want to miss them. Have a lovely day.